What is cell? The structural and functional unit of life is known as cell. We know that all living organisms are composed of cells. Two types of cell: unicellular organism. In unicellular organism, a single cell performs all function. Example: amoeba. Multicellular organism. In multicellular organism, there are millions of cells specialized to carry on a specific task. Example: human being. What is tissue? A group of cells that are similar in structure and work together to achieve a particular function form a tissue. Example: tissues are muscles, nerves, blood, xylem, phloem, etc. So cells work together to form tissue. Similarly, tissue work together in organs and organs together in organ system and organism. Now here to NCERT in-text question: what is tissue? Already discussed. Second question: what is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? First, division of labor. Different tissue perform different function. This division of work make the organism more efficient. Second point, structural support. Some tissue like bone in animals and simple tissue in plants provide strength, giving the body shape and support. Third, efficient functioning. Since tissue are organized group of similar cells, they work faster, more efficiently. Difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. First discuss plant. Plant are fixed and they do not move, use less energy, need to stay upright, have more supporting tissue. Supporting tissue mostly have dead cell. Growth happen only in specific region. Example: root and shoot tips. Some tissue divide throughout life. Growth happen throughout the life. Animal. First point: animal move for food, shelter. They require more energy. Supporting tissue are less because they can move. Most tissue have living cell. Growth is uniform all over the body. After reaching a maturity stage, growth stops. Plant tissue. Cells specialized to perform a specific function in plants are known as plant tissue. What is the characteristic of plant cell? First point: growth in plants occur only in certain specific region due to dividing tissue located at the point. These dividing tissue are also called meristematic tissue. When the meristematic tissue takes up a specific role and loses the ability to divide, and they form a specific type of permanent tissue. Plant tissue two types: from meristematic tissue, permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are those tissue in which the cell divide continuously and help in increasing the length and growth of plants. Characteristic: basically it may be spherical, oval, polygon or rectangle in shape. They are very active. They have thin cellulose walls. They have very few, no vacuoles, and they have a dense cytoplasm, prominent nucleus. Occurrence of the meristematic tissue. Basically, these tissue found in growing region. According to the basis of occurrence, they are divided three types: apical meristem, lateral meristem, intercalary meristem. First, apical meristem, situated at present at growing tips of stems and roots and sometimes on leaves. Function: they help the roots and shoot grow longer, making the plant taller. This kind of growth is known as primary growth. Primary growth two types. One is apical shoot apical meristem. Second is root apical meristem. Second, lateral meristem, situated at the bark and in vascular dicot root and stem. Function: it helps the root and stem become thicker. This thickening is known as secondary growth. Third is intercalary meristem, situated located at the base of leaves. Internode. Function: produce increased length of the organ such as leaves. Permanent tissue are completely grown and have lost the ability to divide are known as permanent tissue. This permanent shape, size and function is attained by the process called differentiation. Permanent tissue. The permanent tissue are composed of those cells which have lost their capability to divide. They have definite shape, size and thickness. The permanent tissue may be dead or living. The division and differentiation of the cells of meristematic tissue give rise to permanent tissue. In cell differentiation, the developing tissue and organ change from simple to more complex form to become specialized for specific function. Permanent tissue are classified into two types on the basis of structure and composition. One is simple permanent tissue and second is complex permanent tissue.